guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I will be teaching you how to make garlic naan just at home. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are maida or all-purpose flour, yogurt, some melted butter, garlic, chopped cilantro and some liquid soda or club soda. You can also use the powdered soda if you do not have the club soda. So the first thing that we want to do is take this yogurt and put it in this bowl, and then we are going to add this club soda. The reason for using club soda and not powdered soda is because this is instant, and if you have guests at home and you want to make instant garlic naan, then it lets the dough ferment a little bit faster. So mix the soda and yogurt well till it mixes really well without any lumps. Okay, and then we are going to make a dough with this all-purpose flour, and also add a little bit of salt in this all-purpose flour, which I've already added, and then as needed add more. Do not add the whole mixture at once because it can spoil the dough. So you need to knead the dough like this. You can add a little bit of oil as well to this dough so it doesn't stick to your hands. And once it's done, keep this dough aside for about an hour or 2 hours as needed. So here our dough is ready. Cover it and leave it aside for about 1 or 2 hours till it gets slightly fermented. So here the dough has been sitting for about hour and a half, and it's fermented a little bit, and now we're going to make small balls out of it. So make a ball and then put it in this dry flour and just make it slightly oval because garlic naan is not exactly round in most places. So here I'm just going to stretch it a little bit and add in a little bit of garlic and a little bit of cilantro, and now you're just going to carefully lift it and place it on our tawa and let it cook. So we don't have to add any oil or ghee or anything. Cook it for about a minute till it becomes little brown. So now we just take it out from the pan and cook it on gas directly. If you have charcoal, you can also keep a piece of charcoal in the middle to give that tandoori flavor of the garlic naan. So here it's been cooking, it's done, and we're going to make one more. So cook it on high flame because we want a little bit of the charred look. To serve it, you can also spread some melted butter. Garlic naan is ready to be served. So if you liked my recipe, do like and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And thanks for watching this video. Till next time, bye-bye.